What is .NET? .NET is a software development framework created by Microsoft that provides a controlled environment for developing and running applications. It supports multiple languages such as C#, VB.NET, and F#, and allows developers to build desktop, web, mobile, and cloud applications. What is the CLR, Common Language Runtime? The CLR is the virtual machine component of the .NET framework that manages code execution, providing services like memory management, security, exception handling, and garbage collection. What are assemblies in .NET? Assemblies are compiled code libraries in .NET, typically stored as .exe or .dll files, which contain code and metadata used for deployment, versioning, and security. They are the building blocks of .NET applications. Explain the difference between .NET Core and .NET Framework. .NET Core is a cross-platform, open-source framework designed for modern app development, while .NET Framework is Windows-only and used for legacy systems. .NET Core is modular, lightweight, and supports cloud applications, whereas .NET Framework is monolithic. What are the key differences between ASP.NET and ASP.NET Core? ASP.NET is part of the .NET Framework and runs only on Windows, while ASP.NET Core is cross-platform, modular, and optimized for cloud-based, high-performance web applications. What is the GAC, Global Assembly Cache, in .NET? The GAC is a special folder in Windows where shared .NET assemblies are stored, allowing them to be used by multiple applications. Assemblies in the GAC are globally accessible across different applications. What are the advantages of using .NET Core over .NET Framework? Cross-platform, supports Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, high performance and scalable, modular and lightweight, open source and community-driven, unified development model for cloud, web, and desktop apps. What is garbage collection in .NET? Garbage collection is an automatic memory management feature that reclaims unused or unreachable objects from memory, preventing memory leaks and optimizing resource usage. What is the difference between Framework Class Library, FCL, and Base Class Library, BCL? BCL is a subset of FCL and provides core functionalities like primitive data types, collections, and file I/O, while FCL includes the BCL along with additional libraries like ASP.NET, WPF, and Windows Forms for building a full-fledged application. Explain dependency injection in .NET Core. Dependency injection is a design pattern in .NET Core that allows for the automatic resolution of dependencies between objects, improving modularity, testability, and code maintenance. What is NuGet in .NET? NuGet is a package manager for .NET that allows developers to share, consume, and manage third-party libraries or frameworks. It automates the process of downloading, installing, and updating dependencies. What is .NET 6, and how does it differ from previous versions? .NET 6 is the next iteration of the unified .NET platform. It includes long-term support, improved performance, and new features such as minimal APIs, better Blazor integration, and enhanced MAUI for cross-platform mobile development. Explain the concept of middleware in .NET Core. Middleware is a series of components in an ASP.NET Core application's request pipeline that handles HTTP requests and responses. Each middleware can process the request, pass it to the next component, or terminate the pipeline. What are the main components of the .NET architecture? CLR, Common Language Runtime, manages code execution. CTS, Common Type System, standardizes types across languages. CLS, Common Language Specification, defines a set of rules for language interoperability. FCL/BCL, Framework Base Class Library, provides libraries and classes for common functionalities. Explain the purpose of the .NET CLI, Command Line Interface. The .NET CLI is a command line tool used for building, running, and managing .NET applications. It provides commands like .NET Build, .NET Run, and .NET Test, facilitating development and deployment tasks across different platforms.